Good morning, Vindy here with FuturestraderElite. Hope everybody's doing early day, closed by stock market. Got any trades before then? That way you're not hung up on a trade and something happens. So see here, we are currently at the pre-market low. Down here below, we've got a lot of this big green box here. That is 4-hour imbalance on the 4-hour chart. I have been up since 3 o'clock on the charts this morning, and let me tell you, they almost hit that 30K. Talked about that on the stream Friday. They probably opened it up overnight last night and tried to run it up. They tried, they got close, and there's not been any kind of relief. I mean, this one right here, that happened early in the morning, but that was about it. That's nothing compared to the move we made between gap up, and it running up. They're just, this being a half day, I'm going to be on the cautious side of things of maybe they want to pull it on back, maybe it would make more sense that they would pull it back, it being a half day. But who knows? They missed that 30K mark by like 5 points. Maybe they want to run it back up and touch it. I don't know. See, we got the 15-minute 50 just below price now. The ATR has been really low. I mean, so I've practically been on the charts for, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours already this morning. Brutally slow. Every now and again, the ATR hop up a little bit, like back here on this green candle. Just real fast in that one candle, and then back down, the ATR stay. I'd say in the last 6 hours, 5 or 6 hours, I think the ATR has been below 4 for almost 90%, maybe even more. Only a couple times did I see it spike up and try to do it. It is. Might be a little slower day too. I don't even know. How well the stream will go down. I don't know if I was going to be trading low, trading, or if they open a market and act like they don't want to do a lot and keep the ATR really low, I probably would. You can see they wicked up here and hit that pre-market high. Well, they put it in back here. They was up into that box, and once we got to the 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock market time is when pre-market high lines and lows start getting these wicks up here. That one smacked it down, got rejected really hard. I would think that if it opened the market and want to drive it up, good chance I might drive it up and just test it. I don't know though. 30K mark is up there. Hard to believe that we got to them 5 points and they didn't wick out and touch it or anything. By all means, that's kind of weird to me. If you're already on before the market opens, you enjoying the streams, so go ahead and make sure you smash like button on the stream. Go push it out there a little further. Everybody had a great weekend. We're currently inside range of our 4 hours 984 to 985 to 995 and 898 plus all that 4 hour imbalance down wild. So we're looking at like 92 all the way to like 887, and we still have skipped over this imbalance. When we gapped up, the gap is way down. Scrolled on this. Gap's even below that, so a lot going on underneath price action. Do they try to retrace some of it since it's half a day, or are they gonna not do much, or they keep the ATR down and it not really be a great trade day, and then open it up overnight tonight and maybe try to pull it back, or who knows, maybe drive it back up. You know, oil's down to like under $92 a barrel. Could go either way. We got about 7 minutes before the market opens. Did a little trading in a while. Over $1,500 across 3, most 50 worth one. ACAT pass. Try to take a trade back here. I was in a short somewhere right over here left. Right here on a 15 chart. Well, it's too close to market open. I don't know. I might try to rip dollars or something. Thought I had to stop out. Hey, morning tea. State meet. Hey. Jesus, good morning. Morning. Backs in the car, however. Who knows? Maybe you need to go on a little break or something. You know, got the back with you. Like I said, I don't know how much trading I'm gonna be doing today. See how the market reacts when it opens. I've already got. I've got 6 hours of chart time in already this morning. Tried to trade. You know, like just a little bit ago, like I was talking about, rough hours I've been on the market. Low ATR, just nothing. Might go. Days to pay out. I think I have a couple that I already have my days in for payouts. I just need to get my consistency down over on my consistency. Slow and steady wins the race, though. I was hoping at least maybe you know, like pass these. I tried to pass a set of evals last night in the evening session. Got want to get. I was hoping to finish them out today, maybe morning, but who knows? It ain't worth forcing. Morning special K under the count. Nice. Got ATR still sitting around 30. Think about that. Almost time for the bell. And the ATR has literally been there like the most of the last 6 hours. Everybody smashing that like button so fast this morning. I will be giving a copy of the book away, even though it's half a day. 5 likes on. So left. Micros. Second. 5. Time for liftoff. Push real hard here out of the gate, then they're probably going to try to tag 30K. It's a psychological. Nice. Right, the ATRs often 5 or 6. The fact that it's not 20 or 30 already. First right here open kind of sets the pace for today. Probably what took. No reason it's not probably going to be looking so great. I had to get as far as good price action, but you know anything can happen early. if they can't get above, I can tell you this, if they can't get above, say 660, I'm 960, 960. If they can't get above 960, I'm going to be having to think, I might actually want to try to pull it back today. How the ATR's 7 and 8. Watch out. Looking at now, ain't we? I can tell you if we got any new people on, or body that's still liking the trying to get their reps in real early in your trading journey. Today, this first half, since this is a half a day, might even be a good day for you to get in a sim account, put in the reps and practice, because it could be not worth trying to actually put files in or fund it if you. Oh, that's pretty cool. All them base hits that up. I think people get in that mindset of what they see online. They're like, that's miracle money. I'm gonna trade. That's miracle money. They're in for a rude awakening. Take what you market and happy with it. Not saying that they're not going to try to make any moves today. Not trying to say that, but have to be thinking that or understanding that the ATR is between 6 and 7 out. Not normal behavior for the opening. And you will have to watch out because while I was watching the market all morning, they did a little bit of manipulating here and there. ATR would jump up kind of like it went 9. I think I seen the highest. I think I seen it maybe 12 to 15 early morning hours, just to put in like a quick 1 minute candle like this green one back here with this long wick. It jumped up in the ATR, pushed right back down. The ATR went back to like 2 or 3. Have to be careful for manipulation type stuff like that, especially with are going to be low. You're holding to some type of strict R&R, and you're in something and it's real slow. They could throw a candle again, take your stop or something. The easy day to wrong side of things. Doesn't mean it'll be the whole time. Trying to tread with caution. We're already past 5 minutes. Are still at to 10. We're up here around this 960 area. Spiked above at 964. I was saying we need to get above 960, above that and hold. Otherwise, I'm going to be trying to pull from first time. They want to prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. and all they got to do is keep it above. Like Special K might be having. Can everybody else hear me? Like everything's working on my. You might need to turn the volume up. Maybe I'm not talking loud. Just a little bit. Is that better? How about now? Hopefully everybody can hear me. Here we go. Running up the ladder here. ATR. Yeah, something might be going on with the mic. I just now adjusted the volume thing. Might be a technical course. It's a holiday and a Monday. Sounded like Casanova. It might have been going in and out because I was being talking, I'd be quiet, and I'd be talking, and I'd be quiet, and talking again. I don't know. Maybe I need a new mic. Who knows? Some people might be thinking it's a great thing. Nice little drive here. I guess car is. Ended on the lower time. 4 minutes close, and if they could close this thing around 990 or something, I could go long in it, that area, possibly. Good handle. Gotta finish. Wait for confirmation on it. Does close at that, I might. I almost had a feeling this is how this is going to be watching the market all. Kept thinking, wow, you know, open at like 5, you know, expecting more volume to 5 a.m. 6, 7:30, 7, and then 6:30, then 7. Kept watching all these particular half-hour whole number areas that a lot of times you might see pop in. I think there was at like the 30 mark. I can't, or it was a little early. It was back here. It was like 8:20 market time. Crazy. Painting a picture what what we was gonna see, you know. Picture wasn't that great. Trying to maybe we'll get us some members in here. Hey, if we got any new members, let us know in chat or in chat. I mean, start mic check. Yeah, I don't think my mic's working right. Oh, mic check. He said it's looking bearish. I don't really know what to think. Know what to think about it. I don't really think it's looking bearish so much, not yet, but also don't think it's that bullish either. I just think it's one of those days. There's a lot of people sitting out, a lot of traders probably not in the market. I mean, it's 9:45 almost. The ATR is at like 5. Seriously. Yeah, there's a it might, but the thing is that's the all-time high. Well, so the question I have there is if they do want to drive it up there because we missed the 30K mark, you know, what if we get up there and hit it and they find support up there somehow and hold price up there and then want to take it further since 30K mark. Morning, NC. Yeah, I said last Friday I'd probably be streaming today. Everybody know unless something come up and nothing came. I should have started to stream at about 3 o'clock market time this morning out here on the charts. Might not have been anybody in there with me though. It would have been awfully boring anyway. There is literally nothing but this is like probably the best run that I've seen in the last 6 hours. Except for no, there's this one back here that happened earlier this morning. This one was okay, but it was just so agonizingly slow. Like no way. All right, maybe they're gonna go up here like he was talking about, snag at the high, overnight high, London high, whatever y'all will call it. It's a high. That was a nice handling. Solid body, no hardly any. I'd venture to say that at 13. I would say that if they did close this 15-minute candle around 30K, so probably take maybe higher time. Because there's a good possibility if they close around 30K or just over, it wouldn't take them much to drive that thing to say 100K 100. FP said the mic is very low. How about that? Is that better? Maybe I'm just speaking in a soft tone today. I'm talking in my timeout voice. That's better. Or I might have to go back through my settings, but shouldn't have. Not that loud. My streaming software probably did an update and something changed in it. Sounds good. I'll just have to let me know. I'll start screaming in the mic if I have to. Screaming, I say, screaming. Yeah, Special K. Special K's she's at work, but she's on with us. Yeah, market's open till 1 o'clock market time. We want to be live to see it hit 30K. Want to be live to see it 31K while nobody else is trading. If you're on with us and new here and you're liking the stream, make sure you smash that like button on the stream. It would help push it out there further on YouTube. Smash that like and subscribe on the YouTube channel and set them notifications to be notified every time we're live. We live stream 5 days a week at New York Open. Yep. ATR is still only. Going to be one of them days. Slow grinding it to the upside. It'll be extended on momentum if it gets up there on the lower time frames. It's going to be looking pretty good on that 50 chart if they close above 30K. 9.5 minutes. Right along that, regardless of the. Or we'll let it close, let the 15 close, and see maybe we get kind of pulled. Because if that candle can close, let's say above the overnight high, 30K or something, maybe then we retest market high possibly. Long position. They want. I know I'm doing a whole lot of forward thinking right now, but that's how I look at the chart every day. I have to have any trade plans at all times. Even if they did do that, push it up there and close and look good on the 50-minute, I'm still not sure that I would take the, just because I don't like the fact that the AR is this low. And it's a holiday. Market's not that volatile, so that to see looking like. Like 5 minute win balance. Around here. 5 minutes. A little bit of imbalance. We'll have some on the 2 and the 1. Tightened up. Mark that up. Got about 6 minutes. Closes. Yeah, I unplugged my mic once or twice already. Room beats. The market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time. As far as I know. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. I could be wrong, but I think it's 1. Problem. No problem. Oh, it looks like we tapped in our zone up here. Got about 3 minutes before the 15-minute candle closes. Looking pretty good. If they can hold price up here, that candle would look pretty good. After the stream today, I have to try to mess with the mic, see what's going on with it. Pretty sure that they did an update and some of my settings are gone. I looked, so all that. Wouldn't mind to see a little pullback here and say down into like the 21 EMA or something and push it back to cool the 1 and 2 minute off a little bit and then push it right back up and it closes. Got about a minute left. Everybody just been sitting on the sidelines so far. About to I will add to my position back to probably 72. Close to under the orb high. I'll add too if they come back down here somewhere. Okay, sit long. Job special. I don't really want to add to this position until I see it. Unless I see it come down to 72, even if it's 50 EMA on the 1 minute, around 69 or 70. So I'd be willing to come down there and see how it reacted. I could cut my trade there if I don't like it, or I could add. Must have just been a mistake on my end. Just a mistake on my end. I reused some settings and must have chose the wrong title. An error. Error, I reckon. A lot of times after we're done with the stream, I'll go in and change the title to replay. That way when it posts after the must have been the last one I used. I hit reuse settings at most recent title. I didn't know. We get to 25 likes on the stream today. I'm gonna get a copy of the Trader Mindset book. So if you're enjoying the stream, smash that like button. Helps YouTube push it out there further. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe on YouTube. That way you're notified every time we go live. Live streaming 5 days a week. New York Open. ATR still like at 5. It's not doing much of anything. T, it could be. I'm gonna wait. I don't want to add to my unless it comes back a little bit further. Yeah, it could be. I think we're gonna break 30K and go on past that a little bit. I think maybe not since it's not real volatile, but I'm thinking around 970 to 972 area. Maybe come down and touch the inside of that imbalance. Should be looking pretty good, I would think. I'll probably add, but if it don't look like they want to bounce it out of there, then I'll cut my position where it is. Bounce back out of this. they want to stay on the bullish side of things, try to go on and bounce it. Go on, attack at 30K and go beyond that. Across some. Anybody catch that short by top of that area? Yeah, great job. Great job. ATR still. Room beat said he's long, or they're long out of here. Like to see that handle up above 70 and close on that 1 minute above 70. It's on seconds. back up into that box. Act like they want to bounce this thing. Like they're struggling to try to one up though. Struggle. Further down. They're about ready on them lower time frames. Video quality ain't looking good. Gotta be something going on with streaming software. Saying something about the light now, quality of the video. Probably because it's holiday. Well, let's get pushed back up. What's going on, Nikki Blue? Wow. Morning. Find them legs down. Might not be the day for that. Acting like they want to push. Question is, can they get it done? Who knows? I'm just watching some other levels on the chart. I should have closed it at 972, but we're so exhausted on the momentum. I'm kind of waiting to see what this next 15-minute candle does to tell me whether or not I want to stay in. Cut. Try to have my patience when it comes to it since I'm in it. It will definitely be invalidated below, say, right here. So I'm going to have no choice but to. Morning swing. they can't push this above, say, like back up here to the 50 EMA on the 5 minute, or the 50 closes, I'm going to have to cut my trade. One of two things is going to have to happen. It's going to have to take out this low over here for me to cut, and then I might have to, if they can't get back above, say, 9.3. Yeah, it's just like overnight. I started watching the market about 3 o'clock this morning, and the ATR has pretty much been the same since. Ain't much going on. Definitely not your typical New York Open. Only open till 1 p.m. Eastern, Linda. Closes early. How do they react if they tap that orb low there? And the pre-market low is there, I believe. I think I see line market low. They may decide they want to slow grind this all the way down and try to get back in. You know, they had that huge gap, overnight gap. Plus, we got a lot of imbalance on the 4-hour chart down below us. Down here, like a lot of 4-hour imbalance. Close out my trade right there before I get back too much of what I was up. That right back. I'm gonna wait for a second. I thought I'd walk away and come back and maybe something exciting would have happened while I was away. Trade in the evening, so get a good lick and then get $500 back a month. Yeah, the volume's way down. Kind of figured it would be. Been down all well, I don't know when. I've been up 3 a.m. like that the whole time. Yep, nothing wrong with that at all, Swain. Wrong with that at all. I should have stayed on the sidelines myself. I'd liked what I've seen setting up on the 15. I rolled with it and it didn't work out. Trying to give it some time, let it print some more. Good. See, you still in that trade that long you took? Awesome. Ranged. Nice job, Melinda, taking a scalp on the I'm just going to sit on the sidelines for now. I don't know that I'm going to get in another trade after having to cut mine where I did. With the ATR being this low, I just don't know how much faith I have in them trying to bounce it so much, so much that needs to be given back. Market open overnight. Whole lot. From 519 Friday afternoon. Yeah. I think that I'd be willing to be looking at I think I'm more interested in them breaking below the 4-hour precision interest zone up here, trying to come into this imbalance, than I am to go long. But we'll see. We got any new members out there on with us today? Let us know so we can welcome you to the community. Get 25 likes on the stream. Give away a copy of the FTE Trader Mindset book. Body in chat today. stay safe out there with this low ATR because there's no telling what they're going. Size way down. I don't think hold on the 5, 15. Come down there and tap at around that 890 level, putting in a double bottom from around 2 or 3 o'clock back here. And maybe they try to bounce it out of there. Possibly if they on this bounce got above this 15-minute 50 EMA, structure. Although they could be come up here and do a retest or blow. Had your break, never had no retest. Like they're coming up on that orb low retest or the pre-market lows in the same area or same line. So 15-minute balance right chart. Looking like 15 balance. What in the world? How's everybody doing today? If you've been taking any trades, able to stay on the green side? Then gonna wait until tomorrow. That's complete. I may not take it for today. Luckily, I'd put green in there overnight last, so gave some of it back today. Yeah, designer. There's been some other people talking about that since we've been on stream. I'm gonna have to try to work on it after we get off stream today. I don't know what's going on. I believe that my streaming software did an update and it looks like it reset all my stuff. Kind of like if you have iPhone and do an update, it messes all kinds of things up on your phone. I think that's what happened. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be back to what it is. I just had to get in there and redo all the settings. Too bad at all. 1 point in the red ain't bad, Melinda. That ATR just so low. That's funny, Melinda. I done caught myself on the wrong side of the trade. The way that the market's acting right now, it don't seem like it wants to go back up. You do something. I don't know if there's a long play here. Might be more downside coming. Really hard to even want to get in a trade when the ATR is so low in the New York session. It's one thing when the ATR gets low in the New York session, say midday, lunch hour, whatever, and then you get into the chop. But with all that downside there is that they need to feel, and the fact that they didn't touch 30K already, which they could have easily done. I can't believe they didn't do that. So if the low ATR is going to keep us from being able to really take any trades, let's smash that like button on the stream so that I can give away a copy of the Trader Mindset book to someone in chat. We only got like a couple hours left of open market today, so I seriously doubt that the last hour of it is going to be anything like what Power Hour would be. But they could prove me wrong on that. Wouldn't be the first time. Heart's making me sleepy. They could possibly just do nothing the rest of the day with price and open up overnight tonight and try to run it to 30K. Really no telling what they're going to do. Oh man, ATR is down to 3. What in the world? Anything is possible, Melinda. Anything's possible. There you go, Melinda. Talked it into existence. Now look at the manipulation. Finally, the ATR went over 10. Touch 15. Now, who would have thought that you should have been holding 50 micros long right there? Oil's dropping. They do release some kind of news. Somebody put out a tweet. ATR's at 22. Mighty fine manipulation. See if they do some follow through. At least you got some of the move, Melinda. Green is green. ATR is back down to 12 or 13. Seems like they're going to be struggling to keep price, or I mean, keep the ATR above 10. We'll see. Did they really manipulate and going to give the whole move right back? Yep, now the ATR is at like 7 or 8. Fell asleep at the. I don't really see anything on the long side or the short side that I'm looking at as far as the trade right now. That's completely understandable, Melinda. On a day like today, for sure. You got that right, Swain. Definitely, definitely cannot trust this price action. Watch out now, that ATR is over 10 again. All we need is about 10 more likes on the stream today, and I'll give away a copy of the Trader Mindset book. Someone out of chat. Like close to, what, an hour and a half market be open. All right, Melinda, have a great rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. out of this 15-minute 50 level is where they spiked it up last time. If they're going to break below it this time. ATR again under 10. I don't really think they're going to let price do much. I mean, if they manipulated it to the downside hard enough, maybe we would see something as far as, buyers stepping in. Maybe buyers stepping in. I don't know. Swing market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. Oh, about a hour and a half or so, just under. I think I'll use today as a reminder that maybe on the next half day I won't even stream. And then I won't even get on the charts. That way I don't make a bad trade. This is crazy. It ain't even worth it. Yeah, I can agree with that, Swain. Sure. Nothing wrong with that. Excuse me. I think I want to go on and wrap it up here, everybody, for today. I don't think they're going to do anything much. Got just over like an hour and 10 minutes or 15 minutes before it's going to close. And I can't sit through no more of this misery today. Hopefully tomorrow will be a lot better day. Back to normal schedule. Hopefully normal New York Open. Not none of this mess. I appreciate everybody showing up today, hanging out. Hope to see everybody back same place, same time tomorrow. Hopefully we can lock down some better trade plans. Everybody have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.